Alright, go.
Face down in the dark, she says this doesn't hurt. She said, I finally had enough.
We sound like mad people.
Don't sound like that.
Put you in a straight jacket to see if you can get out of it. If you can't do Houdini.
Lindsay, I got a job for you.
Chloe, I got a job for you. Get down on your knees and then praying.
Now, what you can do is go out in the garage and get that little white cooler. The little one about so big.
What?
White cooler. Ice chest.
Oh.
The little one about so big.
You guys are like a TV show. I was watching you guys.
Shut up and go now.
What are you doing?
Intimidating Duchess.
That's not nice. Hey, Molly, Molly. Hey, Molly.
Sticks her ears up like she's being tough, and I just lean
Molly.
toward her and she'll lay her ears down.
Yeah, I'm still filming. You can get on your head.
Mud. Get it off my head now.
Okay. What am I filming on now?
Look at me.
I'm looking at
Is
you.
it like zoomed up?
No, it's not zoomed up anymore.
Listening again. Can we pretend that airplanes in the night sky are like shooting stars? I can really use a wish right now, wish right now, wish right now. Can we pretend that the airplanes never happened and go to Mexico? A stupid song. It's so addicting.
Oh, now we gotta sing our version of Crawl, ready? And
Wait. And we'll crawl till we teaches me how to walk. Till Mama teaches me how to walk. And alright.
Now guess what you get to
Until I
until I trip over the neighbor's truck, and I'll fly until I hit the pavement. So then crawl.
I'm going to.
Back to the crib.
We gotta redo that someday. I'm sorry, Uncle RJ. What are you saying?
Now I want you to pick all the small cucumbers out of that cooler. Shut up and do it. I'm fixing to start making the bread and butter. I saw that. You slapped the shit out of me now.
I didn't mean to burn.
You're a liar. You're lying. You know what lying is?
It's better.
Get over and start picking them pickles out before I slap you.
It's better than farting.
I wouldn't say that.
Well, you don't have to stink up the place, you know.
Oh yeah, you do.
Molly, get Lindsay. Get Lindsay, Molly.
Hey, Buzz. Mwah.
Yeah, right, Molly. Oh, nose to the camera. So cute.
Oh my gosh. That's cold.
Like RJ's heart. It's cold.
Oh.
I'm just kidding you, RJ.
I think we're going to get frostbite. Until we fly.
Alright, let's try the crawl again. Ready?
Okay. Okay, ready?
Yeah.
Wait. It goes.
And we'll crawl until Mama teaches me how to walk, and we'll run till I trip over the neighbor's dump truck, and we'll fly until I hit the pavement. So yeah, okay, we got it. Okay, ready?
Okay.
And we'll crawl till Mama teaches me how to walk, and we'll run until I trip over the dump truck, and I'll fly until I hit the pavement. So let's crawl, crawl, crawl back to the crib.
Yes,
Get Getting the cucumbers out, please. Shut the hell up. I'm Ollie.
This is my mean old uncle.
Shut up and start getting them out.
God, man. Oh, that one.
Yeah.
No, Molly.
Yeah. You know your Molly, she plays with pot.
You plays with pot?
Plant pot.